guys, welcome to Traventures, your #1 source for family travel information.
I've heard from many sources that you have to stay at the Hotel Breakers at least once to experience it.
It's the hotel located right next to the amusement park. It's inside of Cedar Point property. My husband wanted to make sure that I pointed that out correctly. It's not next to Cedar Point, it's a part of Cedar Point.
It's one of the on-site resort properties. The oldest hotel in Sandusky, I believe.
It has been around for a long time. Like, you walk into the hotel and it feels older, and it definitely has like this historic vibe to it. The ceilings are all a little bit lower, and so it's not like one of those grand hotels that you enter and you're like, wow, this is upscale, but it is historical, and that's what makes it so cool and so unique. It is a historical hotel that has been there almost since the beginning of Cedar Point.
It's the historic flagship hotel and resort at Cedar Point. On property, right on the beach.
Cedar Point. Hotel Breakers. Cedar Point. It's an epic adventure.
Even if you never went to the amusement park, this is still a fun hotel to stay at. They have all sorts of cool amenities. They've got restaurants on site. They also have an arcade room. So like, if you're tired of hanging out at Cedar Point and your kids still want to play, like, take them to the arcade room that they have. They have a lot of pools. It's right next to the beach, and the pools are right next to the beach, and the hot tubs are next to the beach. They've got splash pads for the kids, and all of this is just located right next to or in the hotel. Like, you don't even have to go to the amusement park. Forget Cedar Point, forget the rides and the roller coasters. Like, by itself has got plenty to offer and plenty to occupy anyone regardless of age. The great thing about it being next to Cedar Point, especially for families, and I'm talking about you young families with young kids, having the hotel right there is a game changer. So Cedar Point does a great job of trying to take care of families. They have like their first aid stations that offer a ton of family assistance, places to change your baby, for nursing mothers.
Sienna's feeding her baby.
No. No.
Oh, you're having a baby?
I'm blowing my nose.
Oh, you're blowing your nose. Sienna's having a baby and Grayson's blowing his nose.
They even have like a sensory room for kids with special needs, and so they really are thinking about the family. And I have to give props to Cedar Point because they do it better than any other amusement park I've been to. Like, they really do try and take care of the families. This hotel is tripped out for families, but also just because of the closeness, it makes it such an important piece to the whole Cedar Point experience. Like, if your kids are tired and they need a nap, just go on over to the hotel. It's right there, and then you can go back after. If they're getting worn out, there's a hotel. If they want some time to cool off, there's a pool at the hotel. If they need to go to bed and they are tired and they have to go to bed early, there's a hotel, and you parents can still take turns going on rides. Like, that was what was so amazing. As our kids were getting tired, we went to the hotel, they went to bed, and my husband and I could still take turns and go ride the rides at Cedar Point. For me and like our family, this was such an awesome thing for us to try out. We don't always stay at the hotel right on site because yes, it is a little more expensive. But if you're really looking for just a vacation to take care of everything for you, just go on over to the hotel. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out our companion video, Tailored Tadpoles. That gives you even more information about what our personal experience was like and can provide you with the confidence that you need to take your family to these places too. Thanks for watching. Peace.